Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu the Seed from the 24th to the 28th of May 2021 on Monday. Kamadonsela tells Nkululeko that he needs to come clean about his mother being alive on Tuesday. After apologizing to the Bengo ancestors, Nokuzola hopes Tulele will move on, but is disappointed when he tells Phakade he wants to have a funeral for Memezi anyway on Wednesday. Buhle helps Nkululeko to make a video to publicize the search, and he is called to identify the body of a baby found dead in a dustbin on Thursday. At the opening of Shongololo Oil, new offices sparks fly between Nerupa and Menzi, and he is intrigued by what she has to tell him about Shongololo Oil on Friday. Fikile agrees to be hypnotized by Menzi for Nkululeko and Mepo's sakes. Nerupa wants to be more hands-on Shongololo Oil, but Zitulelo is worried about this. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.